Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Gunbait channel. Please subscribe, hit like button, and let's get started. So, we have here is the Bigbang Pegasus. I have two Pegasus here, and then this one is from Rapidity, bootleg Beyblade, and then this one is from Takara, and then we will compare it. So this one is already open. I already opened this and play with it. It's a good quality Beyblade, bootleg Beyblade. This one is the legit one. Takara. It has Takara Tomy Beyblade. So I will unbox this. This one is not open yet, and I will unbox it for you guys and show it to you. In year 2020, I ordered it online. So let's unbox this. This one is already open, and then the Beyblade here, I will show it to you later. So yeah, this is my Exacto knife, and I will open this one. Before that, let's compare the box. uh, this is the Rapidity. This is the Takara Tomy. Okay, side by side. At the bottom, as you can see, they have different uh, they have different detail in the bottom. Here, and then the other side, it's also different. And the materials also, the box, the box is different. The materials, and the Takartom is it has a hard cardboard, and this one is it has soft cardboard. So the logo here, Bigbang Pegasis. This is the Takara, and then this is the Rapidity. It has different font here, different. They have different fonts. I hope you can see it. And then the front, Takara, Rapidity. It has manipulator here, and then this one is the Japanese words. I don't know. I think it's manipulator also, but in Japanese. This one, same. Okay, guys. Let's open the Takara Tomy. Okay, let's open this. It's sealed, perfectly sealed. Oh, it's fresh. It came this morning. Right. And the box is empty already, so there's nothing there. There's nothing left. Okay. First, this is the final drive. Final drive, the tool, the manual and stickers, the winder cord. It's sealed, and then the layer, the spinner. I think let's open this. Where's my Exacto knife? Okay. By the way, The this one Rapidity, it has no cardboard box like this. It's come straight Beyblades. Uh, it comes straight, so there's no cardboard box like this one. So okay, nothing left more. This is a spinner. Get this sealed. The layer. Okay, let's open this. The first one. Later, we will compare the Rapidity and the Takara Tomy brand. We will compare them to each other. So this is the face bolt. There's no tattooed character. So this is the clear wheel. It's kind of dark blue, I think so. Okay, okay. This is the metal wheel, I think. If you touch that, it feels so smooth. Unlike the Rapidity, it's very rough when you hold it, and very smooth as butter. Yeah. Pegasus wings. Yeah. And then the second one, we will open it. This driver, final drive. Oh yeah, I love it. It's rubber. The tip is rubber. It's working perfectly. I will not. I think I will not use this one. It's for my collection purposes. So just to show you what's inside the box. Yeah. This is not the reissued. This is this one, Takara Tomy. This is not reissued. This is the OG, way back a year ago. So this is the manual and the stickers, the tool. I think I will not open this one, just the Beyblade. I will leave it in the plastic for now. I have many spinners here. So yeah, let's compare it on the Rapidity version. Wait a sec, I will get it. So here it is, the Rapidity version. It has no rubber tip on the bottom, but it has final drive. It's working perfectly, actually. I already battled it so many times, but the metal here is not so smooth. It's very rough here. You can feel it when you touch it. So I have the toolkit. The tool, where's the tool? Here. Let's compare it side by side. I will disassemble it just to show you guys. This is my favorite Beyblade in metal. I think metal series. I don't know where it comes from. Metal Fusion, Metal Fury. So So this is the Takara Tomy. Next is this one is the Rapidity. Uh, it has a different color. They have different color. First one is the color wheel. Rapidity. Yeah, all right. And the Takara Tomy. When you look at the Rapidity version, it has small glitters inside. As you can see, it's shining, shimmering. Unlike in Takara Tomy, there's glitter also, but not so visible. This is more bluish than this. The details here is accurate, smooth, and buttery. Next is this one. This is color, I think pink, and this is red. Alright. This circular shape, it is very thick than this one. This one is thin. This one, I don't know if you can see. The next one is the metal wheel. Alright, Takara Tomy, Rapidity. Takara, Rapidity. In Takara Tomy is very clean, especially in the other side. This one, Rapidity is this leftover metal here. Next is the face bolt. I already put the sticker on Rapidity version. It has they have different colors. Bluish. This one is bluish. Then next one is this one. Takara Rapidity. The Takara has I don't know what do you call this one. It's kind of metal, but the Bigbang Pegasis Rapidity, it has no leftover metal here. As you can see, they are different. Clean, very clean, and very smooth when you touch it. And then the last one is the driver. This is the final drive. This is the Takara, this is the Rapidity. It has no rubber tip on it. This one has. It's working perfectly, very smooth, same as this one. So let's assemble it. Okay, Rapidity first. Right. I love them both, so there's no need to complain. I don't know if this bootleg version has lead. There's some issues about lead Beyblades. I hope there's nothing lead here. And then the other, well, this my Takara Tomy version of Bigbang Pegasis. I'll just put inside the box for collection purposes. Right. So Rapidity, Takara Tomy. Fresh from the out of the box. Yeah. Almost the same. Almost the same. The smoothness, just if you compare it, the smoothness, the weight, this is more heavier than this, I think. Yeah, I can feel it. This is more heavier than this. I love metal fusion Beyblades, metal series. I love it. Than the burst. The burst is very soft. Yeah, so that's it. So thank you for watching, guys. So see you in my next unboxing. Beyblade or Gundam, Gunpla Kit. I will unbox it and bring and show it to you guys. So stay tuned and please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Hit also the bell button. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay. So thank you guys for watching and see you soon. Okay. Thank you.